scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Iodine acids are tricky, but we can solve this puzzle fast. Let's find why HOI has a larger pKa than HOIO right now. First, remember that a larger pKa value always means we are looking at a weaker acid. Since HOI has the higher pKa, it must be the weaker acid in this pair. Next, we look at the structure. HOIO has an extra oxygen atom that pulls electron density away from the OH bond, making that bond much easier to break during ionization. Lacking an extra oxygen, HOI's OH bond remains stronger and harder to break. This makes HOI the weaker acid, so option D is correct. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs and trust given data to avoid a rush on these problems.